Today we're making white chocolate peppermint cupcakes. These festive cupcakes start with a moist vanilla and peppermint base, topped with a swirl of fluffy white chocolate peppermint buttercream frosting, decorated with brightly colored holiday sprinkles for a delightful pop of color. Be sure to check out this video's description box for a list of ingredients and directions posted there by me for your convenience. To get started, we need 2 egg whites, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. We're going to mix this until well combined. For our dry ingredients, here I have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. To this, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. I used pink Himalayan salt, but regular salt works just as good. Give that a quick mix. Next, we're going to alternate between dumping in our dry ingredients and half a cup of buttermilk. A little bit of this and a little bit of that, mixing well between each addition. Lastly, all we need to do is add in our flavors. We need half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract. Give that a good mix, scraping the bowl as needed. Okay, we're ready to fill our cupcake pan. Grab your standard size cupcake pan. I'm going with this warm red cupcake liner, seems pretty festive. We're going to divide the batter evenly among all 12 cupcake liners. Into a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 16 to 18 minutes depending on your oven. These look really good. Alright, while those are cooling, let's make the white chocolate buttercream frosting. To a small microwave safe bowl, we need half a cup of white chocolate chips. And I'm apparently using a 1/4 cup, that's why you see me use it twice. And to this, we also need to add in 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. We're going to microwave this for about 1 minute, stirring every 20 seconds. It is important to stop the microwave and stir the chips so the chocolate doesn't get too hot and start to seize. Once melted, we're going to set this off to the side to cool down while we work on everything else. To a big mixing bowl, we need 3/4 cup of unsalted butter. And we're going to beat this butter until nice and fluffy. Next goes in the cooled chocolate. Mix until combined. We're also going to need 3 cups of powdered sugar. I didn't add all 3 in at once. I added in 2 cups, mixed that well, then added in the last cup. And this frosting wouldn't be complete without that signature peppermint flavor. We need 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract and 1 tablespoon of heavy cream. We're going to beat this on high for about 3 to 5 minutes until light and fluffy. Once you're done, scrape the bowl if needed, while also checking to make sure there aren't any unmixed lumps of butter. This looks perfect. Transfer your frosting to a piping bag fitted with an M1 piping tip. Unfortunately for me, I forgot to bring my piping bags with me. I'm currently baking at my mom's house, so I'm improvising and using a gallon Ziploc bag. Slightly trickier to work with, but it still gets the job done. All we're gonna do is pipe on a single layer of frosting like so. To add that last special touch, we need those signature candies, preferably the striped peppermint ones. I couldn't find them at my store. I don't know, maybe they aren't in yet. So I'm improvising and going with the regular striped Hershey Kiss. Not as festive, but that's okay, I have a backup plan. To accompany this candy, I have this set of sprinkles, and we're gonna go with the red and green Christmas trees. In case you're curious, I picked up this container from Walmart in their seasonal aisle. There we go, that's festive. What do you think? If you're interested in more holiday-inspired cupcakes, check out my other videos. I have several drool-worthy cupcakes that are super easy to make, as well as a ton of Christmas cookie videos to choose from. What can I say? It's my favorite time of the year. Here's an ingredients list. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out, and I'll see you all in the next video.